Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Wells Fargo to protect your identity online, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Wells Fargo website using your preferred internet browser. Once the home page loads, locate the Sign On button typically found in the upper right corner. Click on the Sign On button to proceed to the Login or Registration section. If you already have an account, you can log in directly. For those new to Wells Fargo, look for the Enroll Now option and click on it. You will be directed to a new page that prompts you to provide your information. Fill in the required fields, including your social security number and account number if applicable. Next, input your date of birth and any other information requested. Confirm your details to ensure accuracy before proceeding. After entering your information, click on the Continue button to move to the next step. You may be asked to create a username and password for your account. Ensure your password is strong, combining letters, numbers, and special characters. After setting your username and password, follow any additional prompts for account security. You might be required to set up security questions for further identity protection. Once you've completed all steps, review your information again. Finally, confirm your enrollment by clicking on the Final Submission button. You should receive a confirmation message indicating your registration was successful. Now, log in using your new credentials to access your Wells Fargo account. Explore the security features available to enhance your online identity protection. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. Regularly update your password and monitor your account for any suspicious activity. Following these steps will help you securely register with Wells Fargo and protect your identity online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.